This video will show you how to create a discussion. So you might want to add a discussion to your course as well to engage the students in conversation along with the physical activity, just to keep the students engaged. So at this point, when you open up the course that you are teaching and you've already set up the course content from the last previous video, and you have a week 3, you have physical activity. Now you can add to the discussion board as well. So this little chat icon is a discussion. So right here is blank. You can add folder or you can create discussion. I'm just going to create a discussion on this one now. So this is new discussion. I'll go with new discussion. Then let's go with week 3. And here, what do I want to talk about? All right, so right here, I want to talk about, what probably, let's say, weight training and technology, just to give the students something to discuss. Okay. And we want to spark conversation, so I may say describe. All right, so describe the impact of technology in fitness. How does this impact affect weight training? Okay, so that'll give the student something to discuss. So here's where we change whether it's graded. Right now it says discussion isn't graded, but we want to add as many grades as possible. So I want to go right here, discussion, display on course content, post first. I don't want to do that. I want to grade the discussion. So right here, this is how we'll grade the discussion based on points. I'm going to put it due again on the 22nd. We just click here, 11:59 p.m. Maximum points 100. I like to keep it high, keep the students excited, and we're going to save right here. Okay. Now, we're going to click save here. All right. So that way the students can respond, and there we'll be able to see, the ideas that the students have. Always remember to make it visible to your students. I'm just clicking grades and participation to kind of see what it looks like right there, but we'll go back. I went out, but I'll go back in. So now we go back to the grade book here, and we see that we have a physical activity and a new discussion right here. So let's take a look at how to set up the overall grade while we're here. It says set it up. So right now, because one is set up as an assignment group and a discussion, this is where we can change the weight. Personally, I set up the assignment first, and then I go back into this section, and then we can change it to make sure it equals up to 100. So right here, I'm going to change it to category. That way you see assignment, discussion, and likely this will be test right here. So right now it's 50-50, but in actuality, I'm going to change it to 70-30, and this may be the long way, but I'm going to change to 70-30 until I add some more items right here. I hit save, more categories, excuse me, and I come out, and that is how you set up a discussion. If you have any questions, let me know.